Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, I did do it on Wednesday and then even Thursday, and that is where the green and then red line annotations here are coming from. And not a whole lot of movement today, but I will say I look at that as relatively bullish. The reason being, once again, the markets were all over the place today, lots of volatility. And yeah, this one, I mean, it's not like it had a great day, but it also didn't have a hugely volatile day where the price was all over the place. It's not like the price got totally destroyed or anything. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that there's not any more roller coaster action to come. My point is, when you compare this one with just the overall markets, I mean, there is definitely a difference compared to how, like I said, the general markets acted today. So we'll see if that means anything or not going forward. But really the first level that really kind of in the very near term that represents, whether or not any of this means anything is this trend line right here. Let's just simply see if the price can stay above this trend line that was able to construct today. Now, if the price falls below there, does that mean the end of the world? It doesn't, because you still do have 375, which is important for all the reasons I discussed in Thursday's video. So I won't talk about all that. You can go back in the archive and watch that one if you're curious. But really, I'm curious, can the price stay above that trend line? So preferably speaking, the ideal level of support that would make the chart look the best going forward is if the price can hold above that trend line. But again, if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because you still do have that green line down there at 375. On the flip side of things, same general principle, near-term level of resistance. It's all about that purple line there, the 50 period at simple moving average. And right now that is valued at $4 and we'll call it 25 cents. And then from the overarching standpoint, still have that level up there right around 470, but that's totally irrelevant right now until the price can first prove itself in a form of not only staying above that trend line, but then also breaking above this 425 mark. So overall, very interesting day. Like I said, for the reasons discussed, I would call this a bullish day. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon the momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.